Chi.
Were you laying with your
What's the
sister?
matter? Chi, you want me to turn the air on?
Keep your sister safe.
What do you look so?
But they hate that thing.
It's all dry and clean. Take it to boy. I'm protected by my sister.
You're to protect her.
Why are you protecting your sister from the air?
Oh my god, I gotta send this to my dad.
This is protection, right? The storm is coming. Yeah. That's a good point. Alright. Storm is over. Storm is over. There we go. You can stop protecting her. The storm already passed.
Gotta keep her safe.
Camilla is like, what is the storm? Good boy.
Good boy.
A really good boy. I like you. I never liked you, but I think I like you. Go protect your sister.
She's okay? She's alright.
Yeah? She's good?
She's alright.
You're a good boy. Alright, get ready for the bath. Say bye to mama.
Bath time.
Bath time.
Bye,
Alright.
mama.
Alrighty. Take care of that.